guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to find out what's in this box by Influenster, then stay tuned. And like always, like and subscribe. Now on to the rest of the video. Hey guys, so before we begin, stay tuned for the end because I'm going to tell you some tricks how to get Influenster Vox boxes, and I also have a video coming up on how I get all my freebies and how I even get paid for some of the free products that I receive. So ring your bell to get notifications so when that video pops up, you'll be the first to see it. Alright guys, so again, I got another Influenster box. If you want to sign up for Influenster, I'll put the link down in the description so you guys can sign up. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, you should, because I always post every freebie I get. So now let's get into this awesome box. So I got some goodies in here. We're going to go through each one. The first one, it is my favorite, Nutella. Got a Nutella, how many ounces? 13 ounce Nutella. My kids love Nutella. It is like our go-to bread spread. That's what it's called. And it's perfect for pancakes. And if you make crepes with strawberries and you drizzle some Nutella on it, delicious. The next item that I received is from EOS, which I didn't know they had more things than this brand. You know those big balls of chapstick that people usually walk around with? Well, that's from EOS. And this is a shea butter, a shea butter shave cream with 24-hour moisture, shea oil, and shea butter. Shave in shower lotion, works wet and dry. Pink citrus. So that's what this one is. I'm really excited to try this out in this video. Alright guys, so I'll be testing out the EOS shaving cream. My first impression with my Venus Gillette razor. I got this from Biz Agent. I'll put the link down below in the description. You can sign up and try out products. So what I like about this pump, like, do you see this pump? It's so cool. So I'm gonna pump some on. Spread it. It smells amazing, guys, by the way. Skin feeling moisturized. And it smells amazing. So that was the EOS Shea Butter Shave Cream with a 24-hour moisture. Shea oil and shea butter shave in shower cream. If you use it wet or dry, I did it dry. See if you can see that. So yeah, thanks to Influencer. The next thing I got is the Biore nose strips, which these always come free in magazines. So I have like a collection of these. And last but not least, which I'm really excited to try out because I've needed a new cleanser. It is the Biore Love Your Pores Rose Quartz and Charcoal. Great for oily skin, which is what I have. Deep Cleanse and Radiates Self-Love Daily Purifying Cleanser. So that's that. And I'm like really excited because I really needed a cleanser. Oh, it smells really good. I don't know if you can like see the little crystal, like glitter. It's like glitter in there or something. I think it's a charcoal. But yeah. So alright, so my first impression on this, it leaves my skin feeling tingly and super clean, and it smells really good. I'm like pleasantly surprised on how good it smells. It's a daily purifying cleanser, so this is perfect for daily use. It is for deep cleanse and radiates self-love, which I like. I had a bunch of makeup on my face, and I used some of it I use this to take off the residue that I couldn't get off, and it like cleaned my skin really well. I think this is a really great product. Alright, so that's everything I got in my Influencer box. Again, I'll put down below in the description how to sign up for Influencer, and here are some tips on how to get Influencer boxes, which I'll just share with you now. One, you have to, when you sign up, they're gonna ask you questions like quizzes of products that you've used, like to review. Do all the snaps, and share your code. Like my link, you share your own, you get your own link and you share it, and the more people that sign up, the more likely you are to get a Voxbox, which is what that box was. So sign up, use my link so that I can get more Voxboxes, and then when you sign up, share your link so you guys can get more Voxboxes. You should share it on your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter, your blogs, YouTube, anywhere where you have a social media account. Share it on your Twitch, on your TikTok, every other thing there is. Oh, even on Snapchat. So share it, and then you'll be able to get more Voxboxes. I figured out the trick, guys. Overall, just be very active in the, well, not completely active, but you have to be active in the community of influencers. Like, when you sign up, you will know what I'm talking about. And if you already have an influencer account, I'm telling you, share your codes, do your snaps, even answer some questions or ask some questions. Just show that you're active, and link all your social media accounts so your ranking can be high, and you guys will be guaranteed to get a Voxbox if you follow those things. But mostly share your codes, because this is like my 4th Voxbox in 2 months, and I've usually have to wait every 6 or 7 months to get a Voxbox. This is the fastest I've ever gotten Voxboxes before, like back to back. So it's very exciting, and I hope you guys, this helps. Let me know down in the comments if you have Influenster. If you do, what's your favorite product that you receive from Influenster? I would love to learn. I can be jealous of all the good stuff you got. So guys, follow those steps, and I will promise you, you will get yourself some Voxboxes. And if you don't, then let me know in the comments if my tricks don't work, because that is how I've managed to get so many Voxboxes in such a short amount of time. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to please like and subscribe. Have a good day, afternoon, or evening, whichever time you're watching. Bye now.